10 common mistakes many English students make. These are easy mistakes to fix. Ready to learn? Let's get started. I didn't do nothing wrong. What's wrong with this sentence? It has two negatives, didn't and nothing. In English, we do not use double negatives or two negatives in a sentence. So how do we fix it? I didn't do anything wrong. How many negatives are in the sentence now? One. Or we could say, I did nothing wrong. Again, how many negatives are in the sentence? One. Now it's your turn. Fix this sentence. I don't have no flour. It should be, I don't have any flour, or I have no flour. Let's say you want to offer your friend a drink. What's wrong with this sentence? Do you like a drink? It should be, would you like a drink? Would you like is used for offering something. Would you like to sit down? Would you like a piece of cake? Do you like is used to ask a general question. Do you like cats? Do you like to read? Try to find the mistake in this sentence. I was so boring during the long class. It should be, I was so bored during the long class. Why? Bored is a feeling. Boring describes the person or thing that makes us feel bored. So we feel bored during a boring class. We feel bored when a boring person talks too long. We feel bored during a boring movie. Fix this sentence. I was boring while reading the bored book. It should be, I was bored while reading the boring book. What's wrong with this sentence? He have a good idea. It should be, he has a good idea. Remember that with verbs, he and she are the different ones. I have, you have, they have. Those are all the same. They all use have. But he and she are different. He has, she has. Fix this sentence. He liked to travel. It should be, he likes to travel. Can you find the mistake in this sentence? I eat a banana and an apple. It should be, I eat a banana and an apple. Apple starts with the letter A, so we use an. Pay attention to the word that follows the word A. If it starts with a consonant, use A. If the word starts with a vowel, use an. An orange, an example, an Italian city. Now it's your turn. Fix this sentence. The kitchen has a stove and an oven. It should be, the kitchen has a stove and an oven. What's wrong with this sentence? I want to speak more better English. It should be, I want to speak better English. Why? We do not combine the word more with comparatives and superlatives like better, bigger, faster. So we do not say, I was more faster. We say, I was faster. Now, fix this sentence. I am more taller than you. The correct grammar is, I am taller than you. See if you can find the mistake in this sentence. I will go to the dentist in Wednesday. It should be, I will go to the dentist on Wednesday. If we are talking about one specific day, we use the word on. If we are talking about a month, a year, a decade, or even a century, we use the word in. She was born on May 10th, 1995. That is one specific day, so we use the word on. She was born in May. Here we are talking about a month, so we use the word in. She was born in 1995. Now we're talking about a year. She was born in the 1990s. That's a decade. And we could even say she was born in the 1900s. That's a century. Take a look at this sentence. My friend, she is sick. What is wrong with the sentence? There is a repeating subject. My friend is a subject, and she is a subject. We do not want to repeat the subject. It would be better to say, my friend is sick. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's fix this sentence. The car, it needs gas. The car needs gas. Find the mistake in this sentence. I will go at 3 hours. It should be, I will go in 3 hours. Why? We use the word in when talking about a certain length of time, like in 10 minutes, in 2 years, in 8 months, in 4 days. We use the word at when talking about a specific time, at 3:45, at 11:30. Now, see if you can fix this sentence. I will leave at 10 minutes because my bus comes in 2 o'clock. It should be, I will leave in 10 minutes because my bus comes at 2 o'clock. What's wrong with this sentence? He didn't eat very much. It should be, he didn't eat very much. Why? Didn't is already a past tense verb. When you combine it with another verb, it is not necessary to make the other verb past tense also. So we say, she didn't try, or they didn't sleep well. Now, fix this sentence. My friend didn't play soccer. It should be, my friend didn't play soccer. Great job! Learn more English with me and watch this video next.